In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a manuscript on KDP, especially aimed at beginners who are stepping into the world of self-publishing. We'll walk you through the entire process so that you'll feel at ease and confident as you get your book ready for publication. Now, setting up your manuscript on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, is an essential step towards sharing your writing with a wide audience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your book setup on the KDP website. It's the hub for all your self-publishing activities, so make sure you're logged into your account. If you're new to this or setting up a new book for the first time, this area is crucial for entering all the details about your publication, including title, author name, and other important information. Once you're in the book setup section, scroll down until you find the part marked Manuscript. This is where the magic happens, and what we'll focus on today. The manuscript section is specifically tailored to handle all the details associated with your book text. It's where you'll ensure all formatting issues are tackled, and where the digital version of your book begins its journey. After reaching this section, you'll notice a button that says Upload Manuscript. Go ahead and click that button. This is where you will upload your manuscript file. One important tip here is to double-check that your file is in an accepted format. Typically, KDP accepts formats like doc, docx, or PDF. It's always a good idea to check the latest submission guidelines on the KDP website to avoid any hiccups. Now let's focus on choosing your file. When you click on Upload Manuscript, your computer's File Explorer will open. Navigate to where your manuscript file is saved, select it, and prepare to upload. Make sure your manuscript is polished, edited, and formatted properly before you upload it onto the system. Proper formatting can significantly influence your book's final presentation, so review your content thoroughly. Once you've selected your file, it's time to hit the Save button. This is a critical step because saving will initiate the upload of your manuscript to KDP's servers. Depending on your internet speed and file size, this might take a few seconds or longer, so patience is key. After it's uploaded, KDP will convert your manuscript into a digital file that will be available for your future readers. After completing these steps, your manuscript will be in the system, ready to be published on a date of your choosing. And that's it. You've now successfully uploaded your manuscript to KDP. Remember, this is a crucial step towards getting your book out into the world. Take your time, verify each detail, and enjoy the process. Thank you for tuning in, and happy publishing.